Welcome to the Craft Bar. Today our happy hour is going to be featuring a fun project made from the Spring Fantasy Ephemera book. It is Easter cards. I can't wait to open this box up and see what my mom made. So sit back, grab a sip, and let's take a look. As I said already, this is going to be featuring this fantastic set of pictures, or images rather. The front of the album is called Spring Fantasy Ephemera. That's it. You can't see much else from it. But inside is the brand. It is Leticia Ralph. I'm going to highlight that because this book my mom has used for many projects. I want to get some of her stuff. It's such a variety of images. That's the thing I'm going to quickly flip through. It covers everything. Fantasy, realistic, beautiful hand-drawn art, nice scapes, all kinds of good stuff in here. Now let's take a look at the Easter cards my mom made using that ephemera pack, along with, I can't get this open. Let me not bump into my camera again. I did. I totally just did. But we'll get, sorry about that, y'all. The fun of YouTubing with a small space. Oh, now I have not seen these cards. My mom is eager to send these out. She's made beautiful Easter cards, and she said she included some of her materials, so I'm guessing right away that these are the stamps we're going to see featured. A butterfly, cute, look at the bunny. Lots of detail in that. And then a happy Easter. So this paper pack is by Graphic 45. I'm sorry for the ring lights, it's real shiny. Graphic 45, and it is called Spring is in the Air. It's their 12 by 12 collection. 2 sheets, 8 double-sided papers. I can see the cute bunnies are on it. What looks like maybe some stamps. So there were some cut-aparts in here. Ooh, is that part of it? Was that part of it? Oh, I think, okay, I remember my mom working on this. She colored that in. That is so pretty. This is an aside, not a part of the project at all, y'all. I'm sorry, but, she just gave me her materials. Ooh, I get distracted. These were the cut-aparts in this set. Really pretty. But one of the pages, I can see it here, was just an outline. It was, blue outlines with the images, so drawn, but there was no color on it. And this is that page. She took alcohol markers and colored it in. That turned out really vibrant. Maybe she didn't want to use it, but anyway, really pretty. Okay. So the things she used, the Graphic 45 paper, those 3 stamps, and that really nice Spring Fantasy Ephemera pack of paper. Okay, now her cards. This is the paper from the Spring is in the Air collection. Oh, I see lots of things. Lots of features jump out. So the paper is very pretty. She has 2 different types of ribbon running here. She's got the lace, she's got the pink rack, and then these really cute ribboned rosettes. I think, yeah, rosettes. I'm not quite sure what to describe them as. She's glued those down with E6000. I'm going to guess that's her glue of choice. Oh, and then you open it up, and it's not just a card. It's got a pocket in it, so she's given you almost like a little junk journal card, a mini, maybe, oh, and I've learned the term. This is a loop pin with a really cute butterfly dangle charm to match that butterfly stamp. And I like how she got the stamp, well onto both pieces. So it really is like the stamp template. Now this is not a pocket. That's glued down, but this one is. And these come out. Oh, cute. I like that. The dangle is tucked inside, so it's a little bit of a surprise when you open it. That's a fun feature. Oh, I like. All right, that's the first one. Ooh. Now, this card features an image from that Spring Fantasy Ephemera pack, or that booklet pages. And she's got 3 layers, pinks, kind of a marble, and I can see she's inked her edges, and then a very pretty pink tulip sticker. And that's a shiny bit of shine sticker, but not too much. Very pretty. Ooh. Inside stamped. So much attention. And on the back, just nice and pink. She's initialed it. Oh, just so cute. Very charming. Here's the next one. Ooh. Now this has bunches of layers to it. It gets more the look that you see more of things as you look at it. She has put a clear bell jar, like a, not a bell jar, yeah, a mason jar sticker against that paper. So it's a little bit like she's captured some of the butterflies in her jar. So they were in the garden. And then on top of that, she's added the happy bunny who says, Happy Easter. And then these three fun. Now this one's flat, this one's foamy, and these are hard, but with a bit of foam dot behind them. So you even get, a 3D. It really does come to life that way. And then tucked behind this cute bow is a little happy pink flower. I'm going to mess this up. Look, a little rhinestone. So much going on. And then a bit of felt. This must be stiff felt edging that she had. On the back, like that you can see the edging from the back too. And the, ooh, like the other one, this is a bit of a mini fake junk journal. It's got a flap here and some cut apart stuck into it. This one she's embellished itself. So this was the cut apart, but then she added in the words, a happy place to be in the garden of nature's magic art. I agree. Spring has sprung. And it really has. We've sprung forward. That's what time of the year it is. We just lost an hour. Oh, she really did. I'm going to pull this out to show you because she cut that part in and added it. Her butterfly stamps were a perfect match for... Oh. I think that whoever gets this could use this postcard and send a response. And then Happy Easter with the bunnies. And what is that, an iris? I believe that's right. Correct me. I belong. I know it's not a tulip. One of those pretty bows, or the flowers from the front echoes there. And it really does bring out all of the flowers. Okay. I already am in a dilemma. These are all very pretty. Here's the next one. Oh, that is such a sweet image. Look at that happy bunny. I know it's a little stuffed rabbit, but it's just so... These are beautiful stickers. They have this sheen. I've seen these in a previous project and just loved them. That kind of iridescent sheen to them. Happy. This one's beautiful. Yes, I've seen this card. Just so beautiful. And as she did her, these are negative space edges from a tag punch, but she's used them to make a bit of a lace border just for the edges, like photo corners almost. And then inside a big 3D sticker that comes off, and then these are stuck to the page. That green paper really makes everything pop forward. And here, this is for the gardener. I'm ready to go out and check on my flowers, to weed things, to collect nature's bounty and bring it into a vase. And this gingham sticker, and then she added the glitter herself with some Stickles glue. 2 stickers of roses. This cut apart, the piece behind it with the inking really does make it look like a frame. And she's rounded her edges. This is the only one. These were all squared, but here she rounded her edges on this one and then inked the whole thing. Happy Easter. With did you put the 2 stamps together? That's a nice idea. And a little mini Tim Holtz paper clip. That's such pretty paper. I love this hippity hoppity. That pink. I like that it's sweet without being saccharine. All right, so she made 5 beautiful cards. Do I have a favorite? I don't know. They all have something really beautiful about them. I love this one because of that effect of the everything captured in the jar. All right, you tell me. That's a tough one. I'm going to say this one just because I looked at it last, and I love gardening, and I have to go out, and I've just begun planting bulbs again, and I'm looking for them to come up. My Turk's caps are beginning to come back in the corner of the house, or in the corner of the yard. Y'all know what those are. They're beautiful, especially when they start blooming. Thanks for joining us. If you want to see other showcase features like this, or sometimes we're crunching along with things, we'd love to have you like and subscribe. You can find a fun project every Friday that we release in our Happy Hour series. We also do things like brunch on the weekend. Sometimes we have fun bits during the week as well. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.